The perimeter is set.
Coordinates logged.
Check alignment one last time.
Keep it right here. We are at the marker. Good. Dump it. Copy that.
Keep it steady. Check the curvature with the template.
All right, looks aligned. Tightening this bracket now.
Measure the depth at section B. Check the angle of the fracture point. Adjust the depth to meet the specifications.
The bore is complete.
Alignment looks solid.
Check the diameter at 5 points.
Cable tension is correct.
Maintain slow descent.
Lock guide bolts.
Okay, lower the beam slowly. Alignment check is good. Almost there, just a bit to the right. Secure the bolts now.
Keep it steady. Guide it slowly. Alignment is correct. Lowering now.
Keep the mist steady down there. The trowel work is almost done on this section. Readings look good up here. Check line 4. Running diagnostics.
Connection established.
Open gates 2 and 3, another meter.
2 and 3 confirmed.
Readings are stable. Proceed with the test. Set the marker to 20 degrees. Verified at 20. Moving forward with the push.
Line it up. Easy. Set the hinge pin. Checking the seal. Tighten the lower bolts.
Cable secured, module online. Checking calibration. Signal is strong, torque adjusted. Readings look stable. Proceed to next section.
Line 3, termination secure. Roger that. Ground strap engaged. Status check complete.
Looks good. Tighten the base bolt. Right, that's secure. Measure lane width at station 27. Affirmative. Starting run now.
Open gates 2 and 4 to 90%.
Flow rate holding steady at 1500 CFs.
Readings are within parameters.
The flow looks balanced now.
Reading point 3.
I agree. Market confirmed. Level 5 needs adjustment.
Okay, tuning it down slightly.
Check the coverage on the lower left. Affirmative. Looks good now. The gauge is now at 40 meters. Noted. It's rising faster than expected. We need to adjust the flow accordingly.
The connection looks secure. Yeah. Structural integrity confirmed. Proceed to the next expansion joint. Verified.
The pressure looks stable.
Agreed. Checks are complete. All systems ready. Readings check out. Final bolt is tight. Confirmation complete. Ready for operation.